language model, LLM, developed by the Chinese AI startup DeepSeek, represents a major breakthrough in artificial intelligence. Its exceptional performance, combined with unprecedented cost-effectiveness and an open-source approach, is disrupting the AI industry. DeepSeek R1 rivals top-tier models from established players like OpenAI while significantly reducing development costs and fostering a more accessible AI ecosystem. This report explores DeepSeek R1's capabilities, technical innovations, ethical considerations, and broader implications, highlighting its potential to reshape the AI landscape and the crucial conversations it has ignited. 2. Introduction. DeepSeek, a new powerhouse in AI founded in July 2023 and backed by the leading Chinese quant fund High Flyer, DeepSeek has rapidly ascended to prominence in the AI world. The company strategically recruits young, talented graduates from top Chinese universities, fostering a culture of innovation and deep expertise in the Chinese language and culture. DeepSeek's journey began with DeepSeek Coder, November 2023, an open-source model for coding tasks. It then released DeepSeek LLM, a 67 billion parameter model, followed by DeepSeek V2 in May 2024. Which sparked a price war in China due to its strong performance and low cost. DeepSeek R1, its most advanced model, marks a significant leap forward. A strategic partnership with AMD further strengthens DeepSeek's technological foundation. 3. DeepSeek R1. Capabilities and performance. DeepSeek R1 excels in tasks requiring 1. Logical inference. Drawing sound conclusions from given information. 2. Chain of thought reasoning. Solving complex problems through sequential, logical steps. 3. Real-time decision-making. Adapting and responding dynamically to new information. Key performance highlights. 1. Benchmark dominance. DeepSeek R1 achieves results comparable to or surpassing leading models like OpenAI's across various benchmarks, including mathematics, coding, reasoning, and general knowledge. 2. Long context mastery. The model demonstrates exceptional capabilities in handling long context tasks and creative writing, making it ideal for applications like document analysis, summarization, and reasoning over extensive datasets. 3. Superior accuracy in specific tasks. In certain scenarios, DeepSeek R1 outperforms existing models. 3. For example, it accurately counted the number of G/S in the German word Entschuldigung, while other models failed. 4. Technical innovations. The pillars of efficiency. The DeepSeek R1's remarkable efficiency is rooted in its unique architecture and training methodology. 1. Mixture of experts, concept. Instead of activating all 671 billion parameters, knowledge points, for every task, DeepSeek R1 employs a mixture of experts framework. It intelligently selects and activates only a subset of about 37 billion relevant parameters for each specific problem. An analogy. Imagine a team of specialists. You wouldn't consult every specialist for every question. You'd only engage those with the relevant expertise. Benefit. This selective activation dramatically reduces computational load and energy consumption, resulting in faster processing and lower operational costs. 2. Multi-head latent attention, MLA. Concept. MLA is an advanced attention mechanism that allows the model to focus on different parts of the input data simultaneously, enhancing its ability to understand context and relationships within the data. Analogy. Think of it as having multiple pairs of eyes, each examining the data from a different perspective to gain a more comprehensive understanding. Benefit. MLA improves data processing efficiency and reduces the need for extensive temporary data storage during computation. 3. Pure reinforcement learning, RL. Concept. DeepSeek R1 primarily utilizes reinforcement learning, where it learns through trial and error. It receives rewards for correct actions and penalties for incorrect ones, gradually refining its strategies without relying heavily on pre-labeled data. Analogy. This is akin to learning to ride a bike. You try, you might fall, but you adjust your balance and movements based on the feedback, success or failure, until you master it. Benefit. This approach reduces the reliance on massive, expensive, labeled datasets, saving time and resources. It also allows the model to discover novel and potentially more efficient problem-solving techniques. 5. Cost-effectiveness. A paradigm shift. DeepSeek claims to have trained the base DeepSeek R1 model for only $5.6 million. A stark contrast to the hundreds of millions or even billions typically spent by US companies on similar models. This cost-effectiveness is a direct result of the technical innovations described above. It has profound implications for the economics of AI development, potentially democratizing access and fostering a new wave of affordable AI solutions. 6. Ethical considerations and potential for misuse. Despite its advantages, DeepSeek R1 raises several ethical concerns. 1. Censorship. Reports indicate that the model censors discussions on politically sensitive topics, raising concerns about its potential use for propaganda and the spread of misinformation. 2. Privacy. DeepSeek's privacy policy states that all user data is stored in China, raising concerns about data security, potential unauthorized access, and surveillance. 3. Vulnerability to attacks. DeepSeek R1 has been shown to be vulnerable to jailbreaking and adversarial attacks. 3. Malicious actors could exploit these vulnerabilities to generate harmful content, spread misinformation, or gain unauthorized access to sensitive information. 3. For instance, tests have demonstrated that DeepSeek R1 can be manipulated to provide instructions for creating explosives and toxins. 4. Deterministic rewards and ideological control. The model employs deterministic, rule-based rewards in its reinforcement learning approach. 4. While advantageous in structured tasks, its use in conversational AI raises concerns about the potential for ideological control and propaganda. 4. The model's reward system could be subtly manipulated to promote specific viewpoints or narratives, potentially influencing public opinion and undermining democratic processes. These concerns highlight the urgent need for responsible AI development and robust ethical frameworks to govern the use of powerful AI systems. 7. Open source and the democratization of AI. DeepSeek R1 is distributed under the permissive MIT license. This means that researchers, developers, and even commercial entities can freely 1. Inspect. Examine the model's code and inner workings. 2. Modify. Adapt and improve the model for specific purposes. 3. Use. Deploy the model in various applications, including commercial products. Implications of open source. 1. Democratization. Open source makes advanced AI capabilities accessible to a wider range of users, including startups, academic labs, and smaller companies with limited funding. 2. Collaboration and innovation. It fosters collaboration within the AI community, allowing researchers to build upon each other's work and accelerate innovation. 3. Transparency and scrutiny. Open source promotes transparency, enabling the community to identify and address potential biases, ethical issues, and security vulnerabilities. 4. Challenging the status quo. By offering a competitive AI model at a fraction of the cost, DeepSeek R1 challenges the traditional model of high-cost, proprietary AI development. Challenges of open source. 1. Potential for misuse. The widespread availability of the model could make it easier for malicious actors to exploit vulnerabilities or use it for harmful purposes. 2. Exacerbation of inequalities. While open source can democratize access, it could also widen the gap between those with the resources and expertise to effectively utilize the model and those who cannot. 8. The US-China tech rivalry and global implications. DeepSeek R1's emergence has intensified the US-China tech rivalry. Some view it as a sign that China is catching up to or even surpassing the US in AI development, despite US efforts to restrict China's access to advanced AI chips through export controls. DeepSeek R1's ability to achieve state-of-the-art performance with limited resources challenges the assumption that massive compute clusters are essential for frontier LLMs, potentially undermining the effectiveness of U.S. export controls. Others argue that DeepSeek R1's success is more a reflection of the advancements in open-source AI models and the ability to innovate under constraints. Regardless, DeepSeek R1 has undoubtedly shaken up the AI landscape and prompted a reassessment of the global tech competition. The potential for DeepSeek R1 to be used for surveillance or defense purposes further complicates the US-China tech rivalry. If the model is used to develop advanced surveillance or military technologies, it could raise significant national security concerns and lead to further restrictions on technology transfer between the US and China. 9. Environmental impact. Efficiency versus increased usage. DeepSeek R1's efficiency has the potential to reduce energy consumption and carbon emissions compared to more resource-intensive models. However, the Jevons paradox suggests that increased efficiency could also lead to increased overall energy use as AI adoption grows. As AI becomes more accessible and affordable, its use is likely to skyrocket, potentially offsetting the benefits of increased efficiency. This highlights the need for sustainable development practices in the AI field. 10. DeepSeek's research and development. DeepSeek has published 68 research papers on arXiv, demonstrating its commitment to advancing AI research and contributing to the understanding of AI technology. These papers provide valuable insights into DeepSeek's innovative approaches to AI development, including its use of reinforcement learning, mixture of experts, MO, framework, and multi-head latent attention, MLA, algorithm. DeepSeek's research also explores the potential for AI to be used for both beneficial and harmful purposes. This includes the potential for DeepSeek R1 to be used to create synthetic training data, develop more efficient reward functions, focus compute resources on specific capabilities, and vertically integrate specialized models with domain-specific applications. 11. Market disruption. The NVIDIA case study. The release of DeepSeek R1 sent ripples through the AI hardware market, particularly impacting NVIDIA, the leading supplier of GPUs for AI development. NVIDIA's stock plummeted nearly 17% on January 27, 2025, erasing about $600 billion in market value, the largest single-day loss in U.S. stock market history. This market reaction reflects concerns about the potential impact of DeepSeek R1 on NVIDIA's business. If DeepSeek R1's efficiency leads to wider adoption of less resource-intensive AI models, it could reduce demand for NVIDIA's high-end GPUs. However, some analysts believe that the market reaction may be overblown. They argue that DeepSeek R1's efficiency could actually increase the overall demand for AI chips, as it makes AI development more accessible and affordable. This aligns with the Jevons paradox, which states that increased efficiency in resource use can lead to increased consumption. Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella echoed this sentiment, stating that, as AI gets more efficient and accessible, we will see its use skyrocket, turning it into a commodity we just can't get enough of. 12. Conclusion. A new era for AI? DeepSeek R1 represents a significant development in the AI field. Its impressive capabilities, cost-effectiveness, and open-source nature have the potential to democratize AI, accelerate innovation, and reshape the economics of the industry. However, the potential for misuse, including censorship, privacy violations, and malicious activities, necessitates careful consideration and the development of ethical guidelines and regulatory frameworks. DeepSeek R1's emergence has also intensified the global AI race, with implications for international relations and technology competition. Its success highlights the need for a more nuanced understanding of the factors driving AI development and the importance of balancing innovation with responsibility. Whether DeepSeek R1 truly represents a Sputnik moment for AI remains to be seen. However, it has undoubtedly shaken up the AI landscape and sparked important conversations about the future of this transformative technology.